Have you ever wished you could learn a new language in a fraction of the time it takes with traditional methods? Well, today's the day you can finally make that dream a reality, thanks to the power of AI. In this tutorial, we'll explore 5 free methods to help you learn a language using AI technology. First up, let's talk about Google Translate. This AI-powered tool is more than just a language translator. It's a language learning assistant. With over 1 billion downloads, it's one of the most popular language learning apps out there. To get started, simply type in the text you want to translate, and Google Translate will not only translate it, but also offer suggestions for pronunciation and grammar. Now, let's take a look at Duolingo, one of the most popular language learning apps around. Duolingo uses AI to create personalized learning plans tailored to your needs and learning style. With over 300 million users, it's safe to say that Duolingo is a game changer when it comes to language learning. To start learning